ET Brand Equity brings to you top stories of this week. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos will step down as the chief executive officer of the company, which he founded almost 27 years ago, the company announced recently. According to the New York Times, Bezos will transition to the role of executive chairman in the third quarter of 2021. Andy Jassy, CEO of Amazon Web Services, would take over as CEO of Amazon. The announcement came as Amazon released its financial results for its fourth quarter that ended December 31st, 2020. In the sixth edition of Celebrity Brand Valuation Study 2020, Embracing the New Normal, released by Duff & Phelps, the findings stated that captain of the Indian national team Virat Kohli has been ranked as the most valuable celebrity for the fourth consecutive year in 2020 with a brand value of $237.7 million. Bollywood actors Akshay Kumar and Ranveer Singh have been ranked second and third respectively. With a valuation of $51.1 million, Shah Rukh Khan has improved his ranking by a notch to the fourth slot in 2020, while Deepika Padukone is the fifth most valued celebrity with $50.4 million, but down from the third slot in 2019. The overall brand value of the top 20 celebrities in 2020 is estimated at $1 billion, the study added. Fashion e-tailer Myntra has changed its logo following a complaint by a Mumbai-based activist who alleged that the brand's signage was offensive towards women. Sources close to the company confirmed the development and said Myntra was changing the logo across its website, app, and packaging material. Women in Adland expressed their opinions regarding what they see in this controversy. While some said that this outrage is outrageous and that the brand had no sinister plot to disrespect women, others said that Myntra logo episode is confirmation that political correctness has overtaken common sense and that the world has serious issues to deal with instead of wasting resources on such ludicrous topics. Consumer Protection Regulator CCPA has issued show cause notices to 14 companies so far for misleading advertisements claiming products with immunity booster and COVID-19 protection during the pandemic, the government informed Parliament. Minister of State for Consumer Affairs Danve Rao Sahib Dadarao, in his written reply to the Lok Sabha, said the show cause notices have been issued to companies selling water purifier, paints, floor cleaner, apparel, disinfectant, furniture, among others. Online streaming platform Netflix has cut advertising expenses by 23% in 2020 despite its annual revenue rising by 24%. Netflix said in its annual report that it reduced ad expense, which includes digital and television advertising, by $432 million to $1.4 billion in 2020. Netflix's total marketing costs, which include advertising, have dropped as a percentage of total revenue from 15% in 2018 to 13% in 2019 and 9% in 2020. Google, which has threatened to stop making search platform available in Australia if the new media code gets the green signal, has stressed that YouTube should be excluded from the news media bargaining code. Although the Australian government confirmed that YouTube will not be included as a designated service in the code, Google thinks the code is written and leaves the door open for additional digital platforms to be added at any time. Prior to this, Google threatened to pull its search engine from Australia if a proposed media bargaining code that directs Google to pay news publishers goes into effect.
It was one of the first press releases that landed in my inbox in 2021. And man, it took my breath away. It was a truly futuristic press release. The agency had already bagged 25 accounts in the 2 working days of 2021, as the press release claimed. The details were in the fine print. The press release was dated December 2021. Mind my words, December 2021. It was probably written sitting in a time machine, or they can always blame it on AI drafted the press release. Well, we don't know whose artificial intelligence they are talking about. They sent another press release saying we retain the PR mandate of this company for the second year in a row, with quotes where everyone is thrilled and excited. Have a thrilled and excited weekend.
That is all for this week. You can find us on our social media handles mentioned on the screen.